Check engine light came on, huh? Yeah. Well, I found out that I need a new purge valve. I'm going to show you how to replace a purge valve. 1999 Honda Passport, 3.2 liter V6, dual overhead cam, 6 VD1 specifically. It's back there. Lucky for you, it's easy. You only need 2 tools. A Phillips head screwdriver, or a suitable screwdriver, and a small screwdriver, or a pick. This is just for prying and stuff. I'm going to show you why. All right, well, here's your seam. You're going to start working right here. You're going to take your Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to take the intake boot off the throttle body. Back it out as much as you can. You got a breather hose there. Mine's a little finger clamp, easy enough. Pinch it, slide it off to the side. Wiggle the hose, comes off, tuck it out of the way. You've got a sensor here. I believe it's the intake temperature sensor. We're going to disconnect it. Lift up the tab, pull it off. And now the intake can come off the throttle body. The throttle body is what allows all the air to come in. This is what's connected to your foot. That's going to stay there. Take it. Wiggling is always nice. Wiggle it off. Don't drop your clamp. And look what you have there. That is your purge valve right there. You have 2 rubber hoses and an electrical connector going to it. This is a thing that ticks when you're idle. You can hear it. So that's going to come off pretty easily right now. All right, bear with me for a second while I can't necessarily do everything at the same time. That's your purge valve right here. That's the old one. And it's going to get thrown away. Lift the tab, pull it off. This is just going to slide straight up. It's on this little bracket thingy. Finger clamps, pinch and slide. This is where the screwdriver comes in handy if you need it. You take it. You can do a little bit of prying. Picks help too. Just enough to wiggle it off. And you don't want to confuse the hoses, which one goes where. You don't want to switch these. So this one, that one came off nice and easy too. So I know that this one is going to go on the inside. Just like that. There's one. There's 2. Clip can go back on there. Probably should have another one there, but that's okay. Put that right back on its bracket. That is now home. Don't forget your electrical connector. Make sure it clicks. That's in there. Clamp goes over the boot. The boot goes on the throttle body. Like that. Tighten it back down. Now you don't want to tighten it too tight, you just need it to be snug. There's no necessary reason to kill it. Like that. Breather. Back on. Clamp over. And electrical connector, and you're done. Yeah, that's it. All done. new purge valve. Well, so there you have it. That's how you replace a purge valve, on this car at least. Very simple, quick, easy, all of maybe 5-10 minutes. You just saved a lot of money doing something that easy. Also very common on these cars, very common. So feel free to watch this video 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, whatever it takes to get it down. You can also slow the video down a little bit. I know it can be a little quick, but I wanted to make this one a little bit quicker because, believe it or not, this is a very quick and easy job. So there you have it.